Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Agri Quiz. Today we will discuss next 30 important question of post harvest technology. Here question number 31. The fruit which are harvested by hand. Here the right answer is apple, citrus, tomato. All three fruits are harvested by hand. Here the question number 32. The main types of chemical damages are first coarse, then roughing or compression, impact. Here the right answer is all of the above. Question number 33. Principal method to dehydrate coffee beans extract. Option A, tunnel drying, drum drying, spray drying, none of the above. Here the right answer is spray drying. Here the question number 34. Ripening of fruit requires option A, hormone, option B, enzyme, option C, carbon dioxide, option D, oxygen. Here the right answer is enzyme. Main factor causes ripening, responsible for ripening, enzyme. Here the question number 35. C storage transfer. Option A, control atmosphere storage, option B, centrally air condition, completely air condition. Here the right answer is option A, control atmosphere storage, C storage. Question number 36. Main objective of vegetable blanching is option A, inactivation of bacteria, option B, inactivation of enzyme, option C, fixation of color, option D, removal of tissue gas. Here the right answer is main objective is inactivation of enzyme. Here the question number 37. Causative spoilage organism of dried fruit and vegetables are. Here the right answer is all of the above. Both three organisms are responsible for spoilage of fruit and vegetable in post-harvest storage. Here the question number 38. Bacterial growth is generally impossible when water activity reduces below. For bacteria, the right answer is 0.90. But if a question asks for yeast, then it is 0.88. If question asks for mold, then it is less than 0.80. Mold cannot grow when water activity below 0.80. Here the question number 39. Fermentation involved in mango pickle production is. Generally all fermented products are from lactic acid, but vinegar is produced from acetic acid. Here the question Here the question number 40. Potassium sorbate in fruit and vegetable preservation is most effective against. Here the right answer is both mold and yeast. Organic acid as preservative are particularly effective against. Here the right answer is putrefaction. Here the question number 42. Storage life of fruit and vegetables is extended by keeping them in a temperature. Generally, in CA storage, when we store fruit and vegetable, oxygen level is low, then high CO2 level means carbon dioxide level is high. Then if you store in low oxygen, then high carbon dioxide, then respiration rate will be low. That's why fruit and vegetable store for longer time. Here the question number 43. Fruits flavor is complex of. Flavor is made due to aroma and taste. The right answer is taste and aroma. Here the question number 44. Plant hormone that play a key role in ripening and senescence of fruit and vegetable. Very simple question. Ethylene. Here the question number 45. Which crop have the natural dormancy period? Here the right answer is all of the above. All three are ball, root and tubers are vegetative part. All have natural dormancy. Here the question number 46. Most suitable material for canning of vegetable is. Question option. The right answer is aluminum. Aluminum is used for canning of vegetable. Here the question number 47. Most suitable method for vegetable blanching is by. Blanching is generally done by blanching, nothing, just hot water treatment. By giving hot water treatment, we generally inactivate the enzyme which present in fruit, which present in vegetable. To inactivate the enzyme, right answer is hot water treatment. Here the question number 48. Temperature, concentration of CO2 and oxygen are the main environmental factor which influence the. Here the right answer is all three factors influence the rate of respiration. If these three factors, temperature, CO2 concentration, oxygen. If temperature and oxygen, these two factors are high, then rate of respiration is increases. Here the question number 49. The fruit which is injured by exposure to temperature less than 11 degrees Celsius. storage temperature of apple and pear 0 to 1 degree Celsius. For orange it is 6 to 80 Celsius for storage temperature, and banana it is 13 degrees Celsius. Right answer is banana. When you store below 13 degrees Celsius, then chilling injury is seen in banana. So question number 50. The main environmental factor in determining the rate of respiration is here. The right answer is main environmental factor relative humidity. If relative humidity is high, means 90 to 95%, then rate of respiration will be decreased. If low, then rate of respiration is increased. Here question number 51. Toxin produced during aerobic respiration of plant tissue that kill the cells if not removed are. Here the right answer is ethyl alcohol and acetaldehyde. If we don't remove these two substances, then it causes toxic to plant tissue. Here the question number 52. Bitter pit is storage disorder of apple is caused by in one of the following deficiency of the tissue. Bitter pit is generally due to calcium deficiency. Here the question number 53. Soft rot of citrus fruit is due to. Here the right answer is soft rot is due to bacteria. The bacteria is Rhizopus. Question number 54. Criteria for harvesting of citrus fruit is based on. The right answer is sugar and acid ratio. For a percentage of oil, for avocado maturity indices, oil content. Then in apple, iodine index. Question number 55. Relative humidity generally recommended for the storage of fruit is. The right answer is 85 to 95%. Here the question number 56. In sea storage, oxygen concentration is reduced from 21 to 3%. Right answer is 3. And question number 57. Eutectic temperature is the temperature at which product eutectic means there is no freezable water is left. The right answer is option C. Question number 58. Sparkling water consists of carbonated distilled water and salt in which CO2 gas is added at the rate of. Here the right answer is 4 to 5 volume. Here the question number 59. Ion exchange resins are not preferred for water purification because of high cost. Right answer is high cost. If my video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.